What's up, guys? Another live stream on the Valter channel. So we released the Steam demo yesterday. That's great. People have been playing it. I think there's like, I finally found the way to read the stats. I think there's like 2,000 people have actually played it now, so that's great. That's great. But there is a critical bug in there though. Like a few streams ago, we noticed the bug. It's still in the game. So randomly, for some people, when they open their world, the blocks are completely broken. Like faces are missing. The blocks have mysteriously moved and shifted. So I spent the whole day coding and fixing bugs. I might have fixed it. The thing is, I still don't know what caused it, but I've been fixing some things that might be related to it. So today I am gonna be pushing out a new patch on Steam, so that'll be the first update also on Steam. Let's see how smooth that is. But yeah, mostly today I've just been fixing a lot of bugs, these are all the bugs I done fixed already. Yeah, it's very like small stuff, small stuff. And now I was kind of adjusting like some more small stuff like this. So how you enter creative mode, so to say, like the buttons, making them more apparent. Aspect ratio is not working. I don't know why. I was thinking of changing the icons because I think this icon works better for the console. Also added a reload button, but yeah. And the bushes fly. Is that a bug? Do they fly? I don't think they fly. I heard that bug report. I don't think they fly because like I saw a bug like if you do this, then half of them in the air would stay there. Well, spoke too soon. Hold up. What? Wait. Wait. Okay, so it's working for the portals. Wait. Okay, it's working for the portals. But not working for the bushes. Okay. The bears. Yeah, it's working for the bears. Guns. How about guns? Working for the guns. Although, do you see that? Okay. Trees. I mean, surely trees would stay. Yeah. Okay. And also, yeah, you see that? It only has them in there. Like the other ones, that's weird. Okay, so we should fix that. That's really annoying. But yeah, welcome. Yeah, so I fixed that bug with the texture offsets being off with lower resolutions. I fixed that like just a moment ago. So that's fixed. And oh, also when you start your stream, the first few seconds get cut out. Okay, thank you. That's good advice. I don't think it's cut out once it's like finished, like when you rewatch it, but good to know. Yeah. Also, I don't want to see my flag in third person. It's like, no, I want to update the third person thing. So okay, if you want to go to third person, you press F, okay? And if you keep holding F, you can look around and set it to a different thing. People have been thinking that's a bug for some reason. It's like, how and why would that be a bug? Like that's, you want to see yourself from the front, right? So what I want to change that to is you press F once, you let go, and it would open up showing face first. So now it shows back first, like Minecraft, but people want to see the face first. No one actually wants to play in third person. Well, maybe in parkour. But usually people want to like feel like they're a bear, so they want to see the funny bear face. So you press F1. When you press F once, it'll start with the face, and then you can look around freely like this. And then once you press F again, then it locks to that. I think that would be more clear for people. I think so. Will it be possible to change the bear clans and your own clan? Yeah, I don't know yet. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. We'll make a customizable flag thing. Yeah. But I also split some of the debugging information in F3, so like you can see it's like on the left and the right now, and not just one long list. Yeah, like this. Man. Okay. I want to know how many are in my clan in the debug stuff. Let's do that. 3 words left card. Nice. And yeah, there's some bugs with the blocks. Oh yeah, but I should fix the buttons. That was what I was working on. Used to having free cam. Yeah, free cam would be kind of OP though in survival mode. The customizable flag might be a bit of a troublesome idea. Why? Why? I mean, you could already mod them pretty much. Will VOIMing ever be added to VOIMA? I think so. I think so. Okay, I got, whoa, 43 bears in my clan. What the heck? Where are they? Okay, well, okay. So, okay, there's a bunch of bugs, bro. This is the life of being a game dev. Oh, and this is not good. Okay, okay. Oh boy. Okay, where do we begin? And now this is broken, bro. Okay. Ooh, missed it. Dang. Huh. There should be some keybind that highlights all the bears in your clan. That's a good idea. Yeah. Is the god hand your hand? Yes. This is literally my hand. Like that. Okay, let me focus a bit here. So we got the icons broken, the clan flag. You know, I just like, I don't know why, but now I'm feeling like I woke up from a nap. You know how you feel kind of just out of it. I don't know why I feel like that. I did not take a nap. Okay, this is a strange bug though. Grounded false and it doesn't update. Like that must be. Wait, do any trees actually fall? Wait. What? Do trees just like not fall? What? Did I intentionally do that once? Mm. Simulate velocity. I should be here. Yeah. Weird, bro. That is weird. What the heck? When will we add rain? No idea, bro. Rain is out of sight. I ain't even thinking about rain. Got other things. Maybe that bug is related to saving the game. Yeah, but I mean, I didn't touch the saving code though. I mean, so I don't think so. I think it's something like movement related, physics related. Uh, Actually, I did not touch this stuff. I mean, it's pretty straightforward stuff here. It is a bummer though. Okay. Let's debug this a bit more. What? Oh. Oh, that's not... Oh, I need more debugging information there. Okay. Acid rain. Sound, bro, acid rain would be cool. Like, if the rain could start breaking the ceiling on your house and then the rain deals damage, that would be a cool moment. That would be cool. That would be cool. Oh, you could wait. The hitbox was falling, but the tree was visually in the air. I don't think that's the case here though. Although, wait. No, yeah, most of these did fall. Except that one. Wait, that's glitched. It's not actually there. Oh, wait, what? That is weird. Okay, well. Yeah, they're not here. Oh. Yeah, what? What? Okay, why would it be just with a plant though? Oh, maybe it's the... Oh, wait, maybe it's the moved. Ooh, I see. That's gotta be it. Uh-huh. Okay, I think this will fix it. I'm already writing it down as fixed. I already know. Fixed plants staying in the visually staying in the air after spawning them. Well, the generation whoa. Wait, I messed up my chat. Hold up. Bruv. Okay, so will the wall generation be done only with blocks or with blocks and slabs? Good question. So in the future, I do want to make it so that you can mine slabs. Okay. So like in the future, I don't want there actually to be any difference between like blocks and slabs. Like right now, well, you can't mine that because that's it's not a perfect cube. But like, you know, damn, I broke the other one. But you know, in the future, I don't want there to be any difference between these two slabs. Because like here, you can mine it, you know, standard, it's cube shaped. But then I also want it to be so you can mine it here and mine it at different angles, like very freely. Like that's the plan. That's what we're gonna accomplish. And so once we have that, then it really doesn't matter what we use for world generation. I think it would be a lot more cooler if we used this VOIMA unique terrain slabs. So, I mean, you could do some really cool mountains with the slopeness, all that. And if we do it with only blocks, I mean, then it's just gonna look like a Minecraft clone, you know? It's not really worth it. But you know, adding the functionality to be able to mine into these slabs, that's difficult, that's hard. I can't say when that will be done. So if we want world generation before that, then we'll just make a block-based terrain generation. I mean, we can still do that. And even once we add this like super good terrain generation, we could still add it as an option to generate a block-based world, just for like the fun of it. Like, why not? It's not really taking anything out if we include both. Slabs and blocks of the future are just like, just imagine myself first. Yeah, yeah, and also like also also like these blocks have become a big part of the game. Like most builds are actually just done with blocks. It's like it's just so natural. That's mostly what people do. And these blocks, they were just like an afterthought. I worked on VOIMA for 4 years, and then one summer I was like, you know what? I could easily make it so you can spawn blocks. Because all that a block is, I just use the same code as a slab. It's just a slab, but it's just cubic. Like I could easily make that shape. So it's like I like did it that summer just for fun, just to play around. I was like, damn, this makes building like easy. Like for survival mode, now you can easily make a base. Because I mean, you know, the thing with like even though this is super unique and cool, this freeform, it's like the thing that made Minecraft so great, it was so simple to pick up and play. So like imagine if you're starting the world survival and you got to build a house and you do like stuff like this. It's like nah, this is like not as quick as Minecraft. This is like for a different vibe of building. And I will add a tool to be able to make this kind of stuff in survival as well, but I am very grateful that blocks have been added to VOIMA. It's added like a whole new side to it. It is a bit it does annoy my minimalism a bit. The fact that there's like 3 fundamentals in VOIMA now, like blocks, slabs, and cards. But it's fine, it's fine. And in the future they're kind of merged into the same thing. Still waiting for the gnomes. Yeah, Andy bro. They're coming. We're gonna get the gnome beard slug creature eventually, real soon. Make it easy for myself and optionally low level. Well, yeah, I guess. I just want VOIMA to be very accessible, enjoyable by most people without dumbing it down. You know, there's that sweet line between making it easy to use and still interesting to use. And yeah, so there's some bugs with the block mining also. Like it'll do it at the wrong position sometimes, I've noticed. 2 by 2. Yeah. That is strange. That is not good. That is annoying. Bruv. It works on the bottom layer. Wait, is it always the bottom layer? It's always the bottom layer. Wait. Huh. Yeah, so it's just a vertical offset. Okay. Huh. Okay, wait. Let's think. Why is that? So it knows where to mine. Okay, and then what does this look like? So, okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't even check if I fixed the plant thing. I'm sure I did, bro. I'm sure I did. Subdivide iron block slab sub. So we need this information. In Minecraft, there are blocks, entity blocks like chests, and entities. Yeah, I mean, Minecraft's not very clean with it. I mean, like, entity is very vague. But I guess cards are kind of becoming vague in VOIM as well, because like a portal orb is a card technically. But like Minecraft, it also has like item drops, but they're also an entity. Falling sand is an entity. But yeah. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check the plant bug. Let's see if I check if I got it. So bush, give me that bush. Boom, fixed. Called it. Also, if I destroy this, good, nice. Okay. Now debug. So if I hit this middle layer, yeah, that is no way that's right. So what? Why? What? Wait, what? Why is it thinking? So it's why. Grid. Min. Grid hit why. Oh. Wait. Hit Y. Wait. Subdivide. This is subdivide hit Y. Hit Y. Okay, that's fine. Okay. When you duplicate cards, it doesn't duplicate their color? Really? I thought I fixed that. Well, yeah, dungeons and dragons. Low-key dragons would be cool. Like, actually, one time I had a dream about like a new Minecraft, and it was really cool. It was like, I don't remember if it was during VOIMA or not. Like, I have no idea when it was, but I saw a dream. I was in Minecraft on like an ice lake, and there was a dragon flying by. Like, the overworld had multiple different dragons in it with like different elements, like a fire dragon, ice dragon, whatever. So kind of like Skyrim, but they would like randomly be in the world, just living their life, like huge things far away. Like that is a cool vibe. Cool vibe. And then I saw a village with like villagers that could place blocks. It was very cool. It was very cool. So like honestly, yeah, dragons could be, I don't know, how would you really do dragons as a card? Because like big things never really work well as a billboard sprite card, but dragons, there's something cool about it. And it is kind of notch core. Could this be about? When will Jonathan VOIMA be added to? From, I wanna, like seriously, I wanna interview Jonathan Blow. I listen to like almost all interviews with him, like all podcasts. I think we'd have an amazing conversation. We think very alike. I think that's possible. I think we just gotta grow this channel a bit and he'll agree to it. That would be cool. And the thing I gotta really do is start clipping these live streams. There's so much content in these live streams. We just gotta cut them into videos and post them. I wonder if there's some like AI that could find timestamps, like kind of summarize what happened here and where. Because I'm not gonna watch like 6 hours of a live stream, But if AI could or someone else could like give a summary, that would help. Also, Also, we gotta redesign the VOIMA website. Since VOIMA is no longer downloaded from the website, this is looking weird now. It's like kind of naked. Like, what? Play now. Goes to Steam. VOIMA is now on Steam. Like it's just like what? I like the colors, the vibe of this website. So what I've been thinking about is the website should have a roadmap. It should show the new updates, and it should have all the social media links. And so, an idea I got, bro. Why does Paint always open tiny like that? And it's like so hard to hit. Like what? Okay. 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 So I've been thinking about a website that's like 2 windows that always stay in place. Okay. And then this window would have a scroll bar. Okay. And this app kind of sucks, bro. Okay. So this one would have the social media links, okay? Instagram, yada yada, is in a vertical list. And then maybe like a picture of me or something. And then this one could be like a blog. It's like new update. Could be like articles like this, new update. Or new video also, just like the news kind of. You should make the windows look like VOIMA's window style. Yeah, maybe. It's a bit difficult, but maybe. Nah. Yeah. But then the roadmap, like maybe the top thing here would always be like a simple roadmap like this is like you are here, and it's like October, Indiegogo, planned survival, da 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 da, wada bada. Like that could be something. I mean, it would be like kind of, I don't know if how reliable it really would be, but I think that would be good. Oh yeah, and the donations to somewhere. But like, yeah, this could be simplified way much, so much, so much. Or maybe there should be tabs, honestly. Don't you kind of miss tabs? That used to be like in every website. Now tabs kind of gone. Even my old Minecraft had tabs. So like, maybe it would be like news, updates, and videos. That could be nice. A timeline, yeah, like a timeline roadmap. That'd be cool. Gonna talk to my cousin about this. And design it a bit. But I mean, I bet people won't really be going to the website anymore. Also, out of curiosity, let's check the stats of the VOIMA demo. Also, today I realized, so I learned something about Steam games. So VOIMA, the demo, it doesn't have its own page, okay? So we have the VOIMA page, which is like where you can buy it eventually once it's released, and it has the demo thing. But you can actually make 2 pages. You can have one page for the full game and one page for the demo, and the demo will still be visible in the full game, but it'll be separate. It'll be separate, and if it's separate, then people can leave a review, and then it can be more easily found on the Steam store. So I'm gonna be doing that. That's easy, but indeed, people will be able to leave a review, and I mean, I'm not gonna do that quite yet. Okay, I wanna first upgrade the main menu, fix bugs, and add survival. Then I'll let people review it. Because if people play it now and they're like, yeah, this is like a cool sandbox. I played it for 10 minutes. I don't really know what to do. And my whole house broke down. And then they kind of forget about the game and never update the review. It's like, no. I don't want that. I don't want that. But can I show this on stream? I think so. Wait. There's some sensitive info here. Hold up. I can fix it. Okay, bet. YOLO. These are the VOIMA demo stats. So we got, so over 3,000 people have added to their library. And of those 3,000, only 1,000 have actually downloaded it. Isn't that kind of weird? People add a demo to the library and not download it, even though it's like 200 megabytes. So that's kind of strange. Also, I looked into it, bro. What does it matter if you leak your IP address? Like, really? ChatGPT said it's like pretty much fine. Like, maybe you can get DDoS, but like, not really. And you can just change your IP if you just reset. So, yeah. But, so, I mean, 3,000 people clicked it. That's nice. That's nice. And then the actual, these theme pages are like surprisingly bloated. Okay. Then the actual VOIMA, the full page, it has 6,000 wish lists. We are at 6,000 wish lists now. That's cool. That is cool. We're getting there, bro. We got 37 people playing it right now. Right now. Let's see. Average daily active users, 900. Damn. Average daily Steam Deck users, 21. Yeah, I mean, that's gonna be the launch spike, of course. Oh, I can see the countries. Yeah, 26% United States. Yeah, I can show this on stream. So 26% United States, 14% Russia. Like Russia is a huge audience for VOIMA because it's like it's so like Russia core with the forest, the bears. Man, Poland is surprisingly number 3. And Finland is all the way down here. Isn't that kind of crazy? I mean, Finland is small though. Finland has 6 million people living there, so maybe that's why. But like even Sweden is low. You would have thought like Sweden, the nature is pretty much the same, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But like, okay, so it's like United States, duh, that's like everything is always United States first. Then it's like a lot of Europe. But Brazil is surprisingly up there. Brazil, Argentina, yeah. Yeah, Europe, then Mexico, 1%. And then it gets kind of random. Like Norway is all the way down here. Like what's Denmark? Like what's up with that? And then China. Um, okay, then it gets like really, but like we really haven't touched any of the Asian market. That's the thing. Like pretty much no one is playing it from Asia. Interesting enough. But yeah, yeah, America's always first. Mm-hmm. Bum, bum. Let's see, wish lists. Well, that's not really. Wish list deletions, 112. Bro, who removed VOIMA from their wish list? I wonder what they thought. I mean, maybe they tried the demo and they're like, you know what? Nah, maybe. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, that's about the stats. Yeah, 112 decided to unwish list it, but that's fine. Chat looks stretched. Oh yeah, it does. It's kind of cool, but yeah, let me change that. Good catch. Good catch. Yeah, that's good. What's up? What's up? What other creature will it be beside this slug thing? Okay, to make it clear, it's not a slug. It's a beard, but there's gonna be a pine cone creature. There's gonna be camels. There's gonna be animals. stuff like that. But I mean, even the bear is getting an upgrade. It's gonna be changed. Man, it's just like takes surprisingly long to make those 3D models, especially when Yorma is not working full time. You know, is what it is. So what were we even working on? Oh yeah, the blocks. Oh yeah, if you duplicate colored cards, does that get saved? Let's see. Ta-da. Select those, duplicate. Damn. Okay, good catch, Zen. Fix that. Wait, if I reload the map, they're probably... Oh, that might be what's going on. What about pandas? Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, we should add pandas and like polar bears, but like, should they be like their own separate? Yeah, they're all red. Okay, so it just doesn't, it copies the color, it just doesn't update it. Let's see. There we go. So I'm thinking we can either make pandas and polar bears be new characters, completely new, or we add the ability to add skins for bears, like Minecraft skins, but for the bear model. And if you have this custom skins, then you can just easily make a polar bear, panda bear, because like the body build is the same, you know? So we got two options there. I mean, if you make the panda and polar bear be different, you could make them different size, different sounds, adjust the mesh a little bit, like make the pandas a bit fat, make the polar bears a bit tall. You could do stuff like that. So Milo is still in the crib. He's out there somewhere. Okay, make a bear, but you can change his palette. Boom, custom skins. I mean, palette. I mean, that's... yeah. Won't people do gross stuff with the player skins though? I mean, yeah, but like, I mean, you could mod anything into the games. Like, multiplayer was the thing. I'd say, okay, this, okay, good catch. I'd say, let people, give people agency, give people power. They can make anything they want with the skin. They could put something nasty on there, okay? But if they join a server, the mods have the ability to blur your skin. Okay, so if you have a nasty skin, they don't want that skin in your server. They just blur it, and that's kind of like censoring your skin. I think that would be perfect. That would be perfect. Yeah, so it would have to re-render the models, kind of like every time you open the game, kind of. And so the real issue there is you have to store the 3D model files. You have to store the 3D model files. And I don't know how much space they take. Let me try and find the models for the bear. Where the heck are they? Yeah, this is type. Minecraft skins are pixels. Maybe everyone needs to be verified if they're new. I guess. I mean, okay, what's the worst thing you can put on a skin though? Like, no one's gonna get traumatized by a skin. Let's be real, bro. It's a video game. It's not gonna be that serious. And I can add a resolution limit to it, I guess. Although maybe not. Maybe we don't want that. Oh yeah, bro, I forgot. We should add the skeleton bear back to the game. Because we already have a pretty good model of it. A skeleton bear, so this would be a nighttime monster. That would be great. And I mean, you could build anything graphic with blocks in Minecraft, you know? Like anything you could put on a skin, you could build with blocks. Are you gonna start censoring builds? I mean, you just gotta make You just gotta have mods on your server if that's what you care about. But I mean, yeah, you can change the color of bears already. So I wanna let's see how much we can do. Like, can we do a polar bear? Not really. No, not really. Polar bear, not really happening here. Can make a gray bear. That's kind of cool. Edgy. A red bear. Can you make a pink bear? How well can we make a pink bear? Eh, it's those dark spots that kind of ruin it. Dark spots kind of ruin it. But I mean, that's kind of cool. Green bear. Yeah, this isn't like powerful enough. But I mean, yeah. So you can color bears like this. I want to make it so you can change your color here in the inventory, like customize it. Like customize it. Will animated skins be a thing? I don't know. No, no. That would be way too much. I mean, then like for each animation frame, you'd have to like duplicate all the frames texture. Like that would scale so fast, so high. Like no. But okay, this block thing is mysterious, as all bugs are. We got this. We put it in the middle, and it thinks it's at the bottom. Strange. Oh yeah, let me see. Fixed duplicated cards not updating their colors. Gonna be a dad? Okay, bro. It's gonna congratulate you. Isn't it going to be easy if you implement this exact color annotation to your character? Yeah, it'll be easy. It'll be easy. I just need to add interface. I mean, it's not really a priority right now. That's more like a feature I would add once I add multiplayer. Like also like the hats update, the ability to have custom hats, masks, glasses, mustache. I would add that with the multiplayer update. I mean, that just makes sense to combine them. Maybe remove skins altogether, leave only the ability to paint your bear to some color. Yeah, maybe. So did the VOIMA launch go like you wanted? I guess so. I mean, there are some bad bugs that I sure wish wouldn't have happened. Like a few builds have already been destroyed because of it. That's stressful. The live stream was really fun. I really love live streaming, and we had like 100 viewers average. Like that's crazy. That was nice. That was nice. It was fun. It was fun. I hope this channel can grow that much. And I mean, I feel like a lot of the Moema community is kind of sleeping on it. Like we got 9,000 people here on the server, and I mean, I don't know, 100 reactions, less than 200 reactions on the everyone ping. It's like, where they at? Because I remember how this server was when it first blew up. Like it was just full of spam, like in a good way. But now it's just chill. So I was kind of expecting there to be a bigger wave, but I mean there has been a wave though. That's been nice. So I think I just gotta keep updating the game, make it the game better, add survival. Survival is gonna really change it because once we have survival, then people are gonna make let's plays, and that's when it comes. So it's not what I want. It's not about what I want. It's what I need. And God knows, like if this would have blown up again right now, like bro, I don't know, like like huge explosion, like bunch of Discord activity, bunch of members, then it would have been overwhelming because then I would have gotten like 50 bug reports a day, and just like it's too much. Like right now, it's a good pace. It's a good pace. I get a lot of game breaking bugs. It's like okay, I got 3 game breaking bugs in the game. I can work on this. But give me 15 breaking bugs, it's like burnout. In one, I can build up clicking the floor without jumping. Yes, that's very intended. Limited by your clicking speed? No, I don't think it's the clicking speed. Surely there's still... Or, wait. Is there no limitation on that? Next place. It does get reset. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's not good because like think about multiplayer, someone just has like a script on their mouse or something. Wait, let me try hard this. I scrolled, bro. Bam. Okay, so how should I do that? So I mean when you're placing like this, there's obviously a limit. But when it lets go, it resets. So every time I click, it should add a small delay, like a super tiny one. So, well, I mean, how do you differentiate them though? I don't know. Maybe if I just do that. Um, how many people are playing so far? It's like 1,000. 1,000 have tried it. I mean, 3,000 have added to the library, but actually, like 1,000 have actually played it. Are you gonna add Barrel Brand? I think so. I didn't really watch because saw a lot of people asking questions that you have already answered. Fair enough. They were asking the stupid questions. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, now there's a limit to it. Yeah, maybe this is good. I might just wonder, is this annoying if you want to do something specific, like, because in Minecraft there's no limit. Well, like in Minecraft it's faster to spam click it than to hold it down, which is strange. Is this good? What? It's faster to hold down than to... Wait, does this not have a limit? Yeah. Oh, it's based on the moving speed also. Hold up. Yeah, okay, good enough. Good enough. Speed of building towers has been slightly nerfed. Been very slightly nerfed. Okay, but this subdivision bug... Forest camels. I wonder if we could do some like special camels. Maybe. So you don't have ads on this channel? No. Would you have to use a different ad? So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how it works. Like, it's different emails, but I don't think even though the other channel has ads, I don't think I could just like automatically get them on this because there's like a certain I don't know, maybe we should check that. Let's see. I got one channel with the requirements to get ads. I've been getting ad money and all those perks, yeah. Then I have a second channel, different email, and it still hasn't met the requirements like watch hours and subscribers. Could I get ads on the second channel by linking it to the bigger channel's email, like transfer ownership and so on? No, you can't transfer. Yeah. Yeah. So what I gotta do is reach. Yeah, it doesn't work. So I gotta reach. Is it like 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time? We're not really close. I mean, the thing is, bro, if we made videos, like if we clipped the live streams into videos, then we would get those hours, I feel like. That's what I feel like. Let me check. Where is the requirements? It's like earn, YouTube Studio, YouTube Studio. Yep. earn. Ads would be nice. I do need money. And I made like, I don't know, 30 euros of that other live stream. Although, I mean, also like if I can get ads or like that eligibility, then people could also donate in YouTube. That would be kind of cool. Yeah, okay, can I show this? Yes. Oh, this is what I need. I need 3,000 hours of watch time. Currently, we're near 1,000, which is actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. And subscribers, we need 500. Yeah, I remember that right. I mean, we're almost at 300. I mean, we keep growing. We keep growing. But isn't it strange? Like, the VOIMA channel live stream, it was like, it had 100 viewers the whole time and even 200. And yet I didn't see, like, I don't know, I saw maybe like 20 new subscribers on this channel. Is it that kind of, don't they want to see more? I don't know. But that's fine. That's fine. So we got 1,000, like 900 hours from 14 live streams. So that means like in a month we could get ads and like special perks like in a month, I guess. Oh, well, maybe less than a month if like we keep getting more and more views. Like now we got 26 viewers. Like that's a new record, bro. It's right there. That's a new record. Um, yeah, but yeah, we yeah, shorts are counted separately. But the clips, I'm talking about the clips. We could cut the live streams and make them YouTube videos, not even shorts. Just upload them as videos, like for specific questions and answers. Like there's so many answers I've been answering that could be made into their own video, so that people could just learn through that. That would be very fruitful for like everybody involved. But I just gotta look into. There's, I know there's some AI that can find some good timestamps like that. But yeah, this is. I wonder what's going on here. Maybe debug log. Once in what? Nah, that's fine. I don't throw that. Do. Make an LLC and have a business AdSense account on this channel. Surely you still have to meet the requirements. Why would that be an exception? But I mean, yeah, I am gonna make a LLC. I don't know when though. Like, there's this one business grant. Like, well, it's not a grant, but it's like 1,000 euros that I could use for my business from this program. But they have not replied. I'm like, yeah. So we'll see. It's kind of shady, bro. Yeah. Linking your stream and short clips could help. Yep. Did also notice my idea with the birds. A lot of them, well, they will push the player off pillars. No, I did not hear that. Of pillars? I mean, I saw the funny looking blue bird. I remember seeing that, but pushing up pillars, that's interesting. That's kind of giving vibes of what's that hated Minecraft mob's name? The flying guy, bro. What's his called, bro? Damn, I'm totally blanking, bro. What? You know, look, the mob that everyone hates, bro. I haven't played Minecraft in a few months. I haven't played any games in a few months. It's just VOIMA, Phantom. Yeah, bro. Uh, oh wait, I could change the bit rate. Oh, that was still kind of. Man, I so wish I had better internet. The live streams could really glow up if I had some better internet connection, but let's see. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So, and this is 39. So what am I looking at? So this is 38. So there's like an issue with the grid. Okay. Yeah. There's an issue with the grid. It's calculating the vertical grid position wrongly. This line, this is the culprit. It's y minus 1 times. I mean, why though? What if we round this? Would that change it? I don't know. Oh yeah, I'll check early testers. Let's see. Also, early testers probably needs a better name. Standing of volley blocks. This looks a cool world. Okay, wait. Does fall damage use like relative velocity? Relative pointer. Yeah. That's strange. It's found a visual issue. Okay, let's take a look. About the floating bugs that happen with bushes and everything. Yeah, I already fixed that. Tell me, I actually fixed that on stream. That is fixed. So it was actually the plants they were moving, they were just visually stuck. Yeah. Yeah. Man. So big block, small block, mine. Oh, now it's even worse. Now it's even worse. What? How did it create like more? What? It's not good. It's not good. Bro, I do not want to be doing math. Nah. Nah, bro. That is not it. That is not it. I don't know how to fix that right now. I'm not gonna lie. This is the issue. For mining small blocks into 2x2s. Okay, then I'm gonna fix the buttons for creative mode. How big would the procedural world be? I'll show you. Actually, I was in the voice channels last night. We kind of answered questions like this. Yeah, so everything would. So yeah, I don't. So in a world, I don't really want to do infinite worlds. I feel like it's low key of a gimmick. Low key. Instead, I want people to focus on their world, a finite world, really like value each area of the land, all that space. So, I mean, for beginners, I feel like a world this size would work well. Like you'd accomplish a lot of things in this size. I mean, maybe the water should go on further, but it would just be like empty water. Like in terms of land, like this area, I think there's plenty of land to have a fun world in. Even smaller, honestly. Even a smaller world would look quite fine. Like maybe like here. Yeah. And then I don't want any areas to be unloaded. I want the whole world to always be alive, always simulated, always active. Like the game does not revolve around the player. Okay? Instead, it's a real world that treats the player equally to all the other creatures. And so, okay, if you have a huge world, how is that gonna perform? Like, wouldn't that lag? Well, actually, I just remember this. I had this beautiful optimization idea years ago. Years ago. Like, this gotta be like 3-4 years ago that I still haven't implemented. But so, VOIMA, it does have chunks. It uses chunks for optimizations. So these are chunks. It stores the cards and the blocks in chunks. So if I move, it checks the chunk I'm in, it checks those chunks contents and stuff like that. So it doesn't check the whole world when I move, you know. It just checks the nearby chunks, okay? Simple optimization. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. We could add a little bit of favorism for the player. Now, if there are bears like all the way here, super far away, the player doesn't really need to see what's happening. Like, kind of sees a movement, like what's going on, but like, not really. So, I had this idea that the chunks, the further away the chunk is, just simulate it at a slower frame rate. Okay, so right now everything gets simulated at time.delta time. So that means how much time passed in the last frame. So it's like the current frame rate, 70 FPS, okay? But these chunks, you could simulate this at like 20 FPS. And since it's so far away, you wouldn't even notice the lag, you know, because the pixels are so small. And then like chunks all the way here, you could simulate them like 10 frames per second. Like such a simple optimization. And it's like, it's a CPU based optimization. It's not like LOD, like the textures get lower resolution the farther away. I mean, we already have that, but to simulate them at a lower frame rate. I've never heard anyone do this, but this would work in VOIMA really well for what we're working with. And I mean, in Minecraft, if you have a chunk that way, it just like simply doesn't simulate anything. Like it's completely frozen. And that's not what I want to do in VOIMA. But like the difference between simulating something every frame, like movement and thinking, compared to every like 20 frames, that is huge. That is actually huge. And then you can have the chunks be like give them like a few frames of offset between chunks. So like if we think this row is this far away, simulate them every 10 FPS, you can make it so they don't all simulate every 10th frame. Instead, like one is this frame, the next, like you could like, how should I say this? Like divide them a bit across the time, but still 10 FPS, but yeah, always visible. Always visible. So that's a very technical answer, but that is something I have planned, and that is a great optimization. And then we also have mesh chunks. So you can see these chunks. So it grabs the blocks in this area and combines them into one mesh. So for example, these blocks here, even though they're all individual blocks like this, they all get combined into one mesh, like one 3D model that then gets rendered in the game. So that's a basic optimization that sandboxes use. Very important. And that's what makes this whole VOIMA thing work. Like even though there's this many blocks and they all can have their own physics, I mean, rendering this is just as fast as Minecraft because it's all just one mesh. And in Minecraft, you know, Minecraft combines them for each singular mesh. I mean, I misspoke. So Minecraft combines the blocks for one chunk. So 16 by 16. In VOIMA, it's like 64 by 64 or something like that. But yeah, optimizer is great. And I also have some like great optimizations for updating these big models. Like if I just move a block, like I freeze. No, oh, wait. Oh, we got a bug. The fan does not work on blocks anymore. Okay, that's something I did today. But you know, if we have a block that just moves and doesn't like change shape, I have a quick optimization for that because you can reuse a lot of data, but it's not actually in use right now because there was a mysterious missing phase bug with it, so I had to disable it. But that's another great optimization that'll improve it a lot once I get it working again. But let's check the fan. The fan is not working. So let's see. Subdivide if divides is equal is more than 0. That's it. That'll fix it. Will there be an ambience in VOIMA, for example, birds singing during the day, crickets at night? No. Again, this ties into the whole keeping it real. I don't want it to be fake. I don't want to fake anything. Like Minecraft is very fake. Minecraft, the world simulates around the player. The monsters, they only care about the player. Like it feels artificial. But Voima, I want it to be feel real. And so like having birds sing, I do want that, but I want there to actually be birds that make the singing, you know? Not just have some like schizophrenic bird singing and you don't see any birds inside. Like I really don't like that. I really don't like that. So I want there to be real birds and I'm gonna add flying birds, bro. Imagine seeing flying birds in Voima Forest. That's gonna be such a vibe, bro. And have them sing, that's gonna be great. And then I'm gonna add crickets as well, just a new creature and stuff like that. But that's not happening yet anytime soon because I know I would have to code flying AI. That's a whole thing to look into. And then we would need sound effects for singing and ambience, and I can't afford sound effects yet from our sound guy. So that's going to be later in the future, maybe Christmas, maybe next year. But it's definitely planned, bro. Birds have been planned feature for 5 years. And also like wind. We really need like leaves making wind noises. And so again, that wouldn't just randomly play, it would be playing from the trees. So it'd be real. It'd be real. If there's no trees, you obviously shouldn't be hearing none of that. Yeah, but I definitely want to keep everything very real in Voima. And dang, look at this. This tree is super like tilted. See that? Damn. That's intentional. Maybe that's too strong though. That's pretty strong. Maybe yeah, I'll adjust that a tiny bit. Yeah, 2.5, just make it a 2. Just make it a 2. Boom. I think I fixed the fan thing already. Your birds will be able to sing songs. That's cool. Yeah. Birds, crickets. Yeah, they are coming. They are coming. Yeah. In Voice of the Void, there are bird sounds, but no birds. Yeah, I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. That is so weird. So weird. So no world that is 7 times larger than Earth. Yeah, no, no. I mean, okay, it's definitely possible to make a world type that is infinite and it just doesn't load all the chunks. Like I could code that in addition to the vision I have, but it's like one thing at a time. You know, I'm definitely not gonna start with infinite world generation because it's a lot. It's a lot more work, and I think it's kind of overseen, like overdone. It's a bit overdone. It's a bit of a gimmick, like in Minecraft having infinite worlds, every like multiplayer, everyone just goes thousands of blocks in a different world, if in a different place, and then like they're disconnected. It's kind of playing single player on a shared world. It's kind of weird, but with my friends, sometimes I've played Minecraft and intentionally limited the world size to like 2,000 by 2,000, and honestly, those have been my favorite experiences because then it makes everything so much more valuable and so much more closer to each other. Like it just makes it so much more richer. Yeah, but even in Voima, you will still be able to make multiple worlds. So you can craft a portal and generate a new world and have them connected through so you can travel with your inventory between worlds. That'll be a thing. Man, these portals are so cool though. Like just like look at this, bro. Just a 3D thing. I should make the portals bigger though by default. Like the portals need a bit of a reholing. That's too big. Maybe that. Yeah, something. Oh, this is good. Like, bro, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. You can just see a world. Like, this is so psychedelic. And you know, this is also a bug that makes this feel so good. So originally, I wanted to make it so that the portal always stares directly at you. So it rotates with you. So like here you see the sun. I wanted so that when you walk here, it will like move so it's always facing you, you know, to make it feel more sentient. But when I coded the rotation, I accidentally had the X and Z axis the wrong way. And so now when you walk around it, it actually moves in the opposite direction. But then that effect gives this like such a psychedelic feel. It's like so subtle and hard to put into words, but that effect changed everything here, bro. Like this is so cool. So cool, bro. You can just see a whole world. And the resolution is so impressive too. You can genuinely just see the world. Man, I love VOIMA. I really do. Bro, what would I be doing without VOIMA? Like seriously. What could I possibly be doing better than this? This is crazy, bro. 5 years and I just created this like universe for myself. Bears. Bro, I love this inventory too. This inventory is great. Crazy, bro. You limit to a radius of 600. Damn. So 1,000. Yeah, that's very cozy. That's very cozy. What if you can choose to expand the world while inside it? I mean, yeah, you could do that. But then again, it's like the biggest limit, like the biggest thing holding you back, the biggest thing preventing you from making a big world is just because it's laggy to simulate that many things at once. So you have to code it a bit different. The birds, I mean, yeah, you could do like some cheap flying stuff. There kind of was. It wasn't good though. Like I'm not gonna add birds yet. I gotta do it right. I gotta do it right. I mean, I want the birds to kind of have like elytra movements. Oh, there's one game on Steam that has like perfect bird movement. Um, Dang, I don't remember what it's called though, but it's like literally you just fly as a bird and it's like a voxel game. It's really nice. Can you add the option to reset all the values in the universe editor code thing for guns and fans and stuff? Reset, so like undo. Yeah, that's a planned thing. I gotta do that. I was thinking about that today too. Because like right now, if you do a change here, it actually changes your vanilla universe. And what I want to do is instead, when you do a change here, it would create a mod in the mods folder. And then to undo it, you just delete the mod. So I really gotta add that. I really gotta add that. Yeah, it's a bit. I gotta really think how the files work together though for that. Terraria worlds are always finite and it's always enough. Perfect point, bro. Exactly. Exactly. Perfect point, bro. Perfect point. Yeah, and I mean Terraria is even more of like a resource based like RPG than Minecraft, you know? Like in Terraria you really need to find more dungeons, more ores, like you really need a big map, but yeah. Want to hear some new music, Walter? Sure. Sure. Let's put them in the music chat. I'll listen to it soon. Also, it'd be cool if all the settings of cards and blocks were locked to the world. Probably could be easier to make parkour maps. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. If you have worlds that have differing rules, then it can become very unfamiliar. Like imagine you have a parkour map and suddenly in this parkour map you move like 20% faster. Then all your like reflexes and muscle memory are just off. At that point, just make a new universe with different textures. So your brain like realize that like, okay, I can't use those reflexes here. This is a new place, you know. Also, I gotta adjust the colors of this brick. It's a bit too red. It's a bit strange. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? On top of the world, bro. Top of the world. 5 years, I'll be 30 in 5 years from now. Think about that. 30. Big 3-0. At that point, I'll be financially sufficient. How do you say that? I'll be financially good. I think I'll have a wife. Probably starting to have kids. First kid around that time. I'll be doing rap concerts. VOIMA will be huge in the millions. I wonder what else. I might be living in the United States. That's kind of what I'm envisioning right now. For 5 years from now. And there's going to be a lot more. Like, I bet I'll be making a lot more friends that I'll value. Man, this looks cool, though. This, the stone slab and plants, like this is like a parkour ruin. I love this. This is a cool vibe. It's a cool vibe. But yeah, I feel like the falling speed of the bear is not fast enough. It's like too floaty. Y'all feel that? feel like it should be a bit different. Movement. Oh yeah, wait, jump is no, falling speed. Wait, no, that'd be oh. Yeah, damn. That'll be I'll have to adjust the whole world's falling speed. What about blocks? Do blocks fall fast enough? I feel like blocks could fall even slower. Gotta think about that. You like the slow fall? I just think it's a bit too slow, just a tiny bit. Probably you should stay in Finland. Finland is perfect. Yeah. Yeah, Finland is very nice. Like, it would be great for like a cabin in the woods, but city-wise, I just love American culture. I love speaking English. I love American people. It's more like a vibe. I just feel like it's my kind of calling to be there. Friend is 32, still no kids. Better get at it, bro. Tell him to lock in. You need kids, bro. You need kids. Oh, Milo. Oh, Milo siellä. Milo. Mitä Milo? Milo. Mitä Pekkonen? Mitä Pekkonen? Mitä Pekkonen? Mitä Pekkonen? Oh. Oi. Mitä mies? Katsotaan kamera. Kamera. Niin. Yeah. Have you been to America? That's a bigger question. I mean, most of my friends are Americans, actually. I just love the culture so much. And I feel like, I feel like saying that America is not good is like such a overgeneralization because there's so many states. Like all the states differ so much in like every aspect from each other. So, most of the problems in America are on screen. If you turn off the news, not that bad. Exactly. I feel 100% to that, bro. I feel like the news is just spammed everywhere, and it's like intentionally making people feel bad and look for the worst. Yeah, I feel like it's a lot of propaganda at the end of the day. Yeah, and the same for like pretty much any country. Like even in Finland, like if you follow the news, you'll get a lot worried and just like get a different perspective. But I wanted to meet you, bro. We're gonna have VOIMA cons. We're gonna in 5 years we're gonna have a VOIMA con. 100%, 100%. In Japan culture, I've been to Japan. Japan is cool. Yeah, I've been to Tokyo a few times. It's very different. I feel like I would never really learn the language though. That's the thing. I think with the United States, there wouldn't be any language barrier, and my ideas flow a lot better in English than in Finnish. Voimakan, 100%, bro. 100% we're gonna get Voimakan. Gonna get Voimakan. Yeah. Yeah. Where's the Voimakan gonna be at? Maybe the States, maybe Finland. I mean, we could do a bunch. I mean, I don't know. We could do like, I don't know. We should really plan it out. I don't want no like Minecon situation. Minecon was kind of cringe. Too many kids, too many antisocial people hosting it. It was kind of a recipe for disaster, but I think we should have like smaller meetups in a lot of countries, do rap concerts, just whatever. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the future holds, what God has in plan. So, okay, I want to do so that if you click a button, oh yeah, and also maybe shift click. Like shift click here, it should delete it, like move it. But also like if you click one, it should add it to the first slot, like in Minecraft. I think that would be very good. And also, man, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Should we remove the hotbar from below? So you see, we got inventory, we got the hotbar here, but then there's also the hotbar here. Like it's twice. And I'm a minimalist. I don't like that. I don't like that. That is random as heck, bro. This made more sense earlier before we had this kind of menu. Also, we need a more, this is more like what it would look like. Gotta be very critical here. I mean, it is familiar. But it's like, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's true. We can't use shift because you can move in the inventory. I mean, control is free. We can use control. Yeah, we get control. We can use control. And so in survival, this would be a crafting menu. And crafting being added soon. Should be stats there. Nah, stats are overrated. Yeah, I don't know. This just feels weird having duplicates here. Okay, well, I guess I'll keep it for now. But there is some offsets here that Timmy noticed. Gotta look into that. Okay, be right back. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, definitely want to keep the hotbar actually, now that I think about it. The hotbar is nice. Especially like when you're like, say you're being chased by someone and want to quickly change your hotbar, you could just look here. See, like, okay, I got it. Let's go. And also I had an idea. We should rename game devs on the server to just devs. That's better. Yep. How do I reset this back to normal? It's in the updater. Yes. Yeah, it's the updater. Yeah, I gotta keep that. Yeah. Yeah. That Milo pay. Yeah. Man. Man, Milo earlier today, he was just like, I was trying to code stuff and he would just like stare at me and like kind of whine like he wants to play. I was like, bro, I've been playing with you all day. Get real, bro. Man, I hate whenever there's like floating cards in the game. Ooh, this looks cool though. Abandoned ruins, stone and grass. That's nice. Okay. So indeed, I should fix the hotbar. That's a slight fix. Let's see. Where even is it? Okay. Guess it's here. Never heard of Minecraft? Bro, I should start. You know, I want to do Minecraft live streams because we have the VOIMA Minecraft server, but then it's like I just can't play games, bro. How can I justify playing games when I got so much to code? I simply can't do it. It just doesn't feel good. It does not feel good. Okay, it's here. This is the code. Hotbar size. Okay. Button size, so UI size. Button size. What is this? Oh. Maybe I should change it. Yeah. Button size. Yeah, okay. Okay. That might fix it. Also tomorrow, yeah, exactly at this time tomorrow, we're gonna have a Bible study on the Discord server. Anyone's interested in learning more about Christianity can join us there. So it's gonna be these two people. They host like I don't know if y'all have ever been into one of these like stages. So they'll be like sharing the screen, talking about a subject, answering questions, and you can just ask stuff in the chat. It's always really nice. So that's planned tomorrow at this time. Okay, hotbar. Hotbar fixed. There we go. That was nice. That was easy. Fixed. Man, there's a lot of progress for one day. It's fixed hotbar. Fixed hovering hotbar having slight offset. Carbon. Is there actually something called carbon? Temple OS. Now, it would be cool to add Temple OS into VOIMA. That would be a vibe. Save copy terrain grid sizes. I could do that. That seems like an important one. Save grid. Yeah, I really don't save it, huh? I thought I did. Grid size, angle, and offset. Okay, bet. Mod editors. This is my custom world saving format, or just saving in general. It's optimized for. It's surprisingly fast to read, but it's optimized for writing the code to add, like adding the grid, like saving the grid. That I made it easy. Bro, my brain is all over the place. Is there music? Oh, bro, the Discord music. Bro. Kind of reminds me of Pokemon music. Montage requested to speak. What? You know, okay, I had this idea today also. So we're like starting to talk about adding multiplayer to VOIMA soon, but fake multiplayer. So multiplayer where you can't mine the terrain, multiplayer where it's like just social PvP, hide and seek, that kind of stuff. But okay, imagine, and voice chat. So imagine just walking in VOIMA and speaking and socializing. Okay, imagine if we added a web browser into VOIMA. Okay, imagine if you're in a VOIMA server with your bare friends and you just watch YouTube together on like some huge screen. That would be, and you have voice chat, like that's peak. That's peak. That's peak. Man. How to add web browser to Unity game. Nope. These do not understand what I want. Web browser into a Unity game. Desktop. Embedded browser. Okay, there's some assets for it. Easy integration. Okay. Render the texture with Chromium. You know what, now that I think about it, adding a web browser to multiplayer would be a nuclear bomb. Bro, imagine what people are gonna look up if they have the whole internet. Oh, hell nah. Hell nah, bro. Okay, I think I would limit it to just YouTube. Make it work only on YouTube. Because like, what else do you really need? Okay, I want to watch YouTube videos and have it... I want to watch YouTube videos in Unity game and have it be rendered to a render texture. Be able to type, search, click stuff. Or don't you even, bro. Hytale could come out. Will it be competition? No, bro. No, bro. It's not even competition for Minecraft. Let's be real, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Web browsers are very heavyweight. I mean, what does it matter though? If you're gonna watch a video, you're gonna be like standing still. And the multiplayer is not gonna be laggy. Again, this multiplayer that we're talking about, you cannot interact with the environment. You cannot break blocks, you cannot add blocks. So there's no physics being simulated. So it's very, like, the performance is great. Nothing's happening, you know? Nothing's simulating. So I think we can afford rendering YouTube in-game. Why this is tricky, Unity itself can natively play YouTube inside a UI because YouTube runs Chromium features. What? Built-in, okay. Embedded browser. It is Chromium embedded framework, okay. Renders web pages into a texture, perfect. Fully supports, yeah. Supports typing in search bar, clicking buttons. Damn. Ooh, cross-platform. Mac OS. Is this not Mac OS? Does this work for Mac and Linux? This is some good music, bro. Oh, it does work. Okay, let's check this out. Check this out. Oh. Embedded browser. Oh, it costs something? Damn. $70, bro. Damn. $70. That's a lot. And bro, how do I even know if it really works? That's crazy. Place browser meshes. Dark keyboard and mouse. Supports alert prompt and friends. Why would I need that? Context menus. I don't know. We really don't need all this, bro. Oh, bro, imagine this, bro. Bro, imagine watching YouTube in VOIMA. Dude. Want to check a short video? Sure. Put a link in chat. I'll watch. But bro, imagine. Club Penguin, but it's VOIMA. You're talking to friends in VOIMA, and it's like, hey, you wanna watch YouTube? Yeah. You can watch movies in VOIMA. Like, bro, that is just so... The vibes are perfect, bro. The vibes are perfect. Can I put it in Discord? Sure. Dude, this would be so cool. This would be so cool. Damn. Yeah. Okay, interesting stuff. How's watching YouTube Forest related? Does it have to be? Why would it have to be? I don't know. I wonder if live streams would work. Bro, imagine watching a VOIMA live stream in VOIMA. That would be cool. That would be cool, bro. Bro, why are y'all waiting here? No, I love that music, bro. Bring me back. How would you make it work? Craft a massive theater or TV? Yeah, it would be like a TV block or something. Yeah, something like that. Or just have it like be spawnable anywhere. I don't know. Sent it. Okay, let me check. Where though? Where did you send it? Damn, look at this. What is up with this Discord bug though? Bro, dude, it's getting worse. Now they join it 3 times. What is up with that? Like, it used to be like, you know, you join once, that's it, right? Then it was 2 times, and now it's 3 times. What is Discord doing, bro? Or are people actually manually leaving and joining again? No way. 2 times in a row? No way, bro. But where did you send that video? Web displays mod in Minecraft? I mean, probably. I mean, I can already imagine what it looks like. Yeah, make it a massive screen, obviously. Bro, why would you limit it to something small? There be American bears in VOIMA? I don't know. In devs? Okay, bro. Oh, this one? Yep. You like Angry Birds? Nice. Retro graphics in Angry Birds is... That's cool. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Alright, good stuff. I wonder what you could do to this genre to make it more interesting. Because this is Angry Birds, like this has been done. Like, how could you like reinvent the wheel with this? I mean, you could, I don't know. Maybe if you could like move the slingshot or something. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, grid. So we got grid size, grid angle, grid offset. Okay. And I'm hungry again. I wish I had more food. Literally all I eat is chicken, eggs, and cornflakes, bro. Bananas. Gotta change it up. Change it up. Man, who made this song? It's so good. No joke. Oh, wait, no. And that's how we code saving and loading in VOIMA. No, wait. I could simplify this. Yeah. Slide optimization. Okay, nice. I won't edit the grid settings are now gets saved. Oh, this Mario music. Too much. Should make a VOIMA game. Go ahead. San has already made a 2D VOIMA. That was cool. Okay, what else is on to-do list? Maybe I should just upload this patch already. Duplicate block structure to lines the grid. Oh wait. Someone asked about scissors. What does right click do or something like that? Bro, I remember seeing that but not replying. Damn. Can you ask that again? What was it? You're in basement? Get out of the basement. Lock in. There's like Wii music, exactly. I could update the Johns a bit. There's one bug there. John. Oh wait. Actually, I gotta do something important here. I'm just relaxed on this chair. Damn. Okay. If I do like where would I put it? If you press F3R, it like recalculates the block stuff. That's a new thing to fix bugs. So, what does the right click do? Well, I mean, can't you just? What do you mean? Just right click and you'll see. It cuts it on the opposite direction. So if you snap here, it cuts that. Right click. Yeah, no, this is broken, bro. Can't even lie. What? Okay, what's it looking like? Secondary shoot most slice, yeah. Man, what is up? So what it should be doing is cut it from the opposite side. And it's okay, sometimes it does work kind of. Wait, does it work? What? No, it doesn't work there. But it works here. Yeah, it works there. Just not here. That's strange. Wait, what? Oh, this is how I did it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, bro. My brain is a bit too cooked right now to do that. I'm kind of sleep deprived because Milo be waking me up early. It's been good. I've been getting good sleep. It's just like not enough. Okay, I can fix this button thing. I gotta write that down though. Scissors, right click, not really working. Not really. Okay, these buttons, I actually don't like these icons anymore. And when I have a block, it's too big, and then it stays big. Okay. Okay. VOIMA jam, where people have to make a game about the bear. That could be fun. Elevator music for creative mode. Yeah, that is good, bro. That is a good idea. These are great ideas. I gotta take pictures. Nice. Also, Andy, did you put some music on Discord? I could go listen to that. Yes. If it appears mid of the model, no. There's a reason why that wouldn't work. Good. And that's how it used to be, but there's a reason why it doesn't work. I can explain. Okay. Man, I gotta play the one beat. That one beat is so good. Dude, this one. Bro, crazy beat. Crazy beat. Okay. What is this code? Oh, oh. What? W inventory? Bro, what is this code? What? W inventory? What? Why? Okay, what if I just don't do that? Andy made this. Andy is lucid. He's in the chat right now. It's crazy. I'm gonna rap on this, bro. I gotta rap on this. Gotta figure it out of flow scheme. I mean, I wrote something, but I feel like it doesn't really match the beat. Where do I even have that? I was unique like a snowflake, then got melted away by old flake. Yeah, that's tempo as well. Got clout to my name, I got clouds that I chase, I got some habits, some go and some stay. I got lost again in the purple haze. I need to go get my soul saved. Here goes my ego, let go of doing it my own A. Yeah, Jesus take the wheel, I fell again for this road rage. Had to tread it on my path, even renamed my game, yeah. Oh, there's some lyrics I would not say here on stream actually. But, I don't know. Yeah, ask Andy. Yeah, it's in the music chat actually. It's called Walters Yates somewhere up there. This one's really nice too. I don't feel like adding Jesus Christ to VOIMA would really be that fruitful. Like, how could you really portray him? Good night, man. Good night. Right, so the menu stuff. I got a block. Okay, then it just breaks. Bro, what? Okay. Ah, I see. Wait, does it say tools when you have the block menu? Wait, what? Add sunbear enemy. Yeah, that could be. Sunbears are freaking weird, bro. Freaking weird. Nice bear. Okay, block. It says block settings. How? What? I'm confused by my own code, bro. Block setting. Oh. Is it headerless? It is. Okay, okay, now it makes sense. Okay, but what makes this menu? Like, why is this getting big? That's the weird part. Oh, wait, ensure, tab size. That's what it was. Okay. Okay. Okay, what does this get called on? Sure, tab size. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm getting closer. So I could do this or bro, what? Why am I referring to soul in soul? This is no, that's dumb code. Bro, yeah, what? Bro, why am I calling itself here? That's dumb. That was a nice song. I like that. I want to play that again. Wait, just yeah. Man, coding is like most of my life. Isn't that crazy? Like the majority of my life, I just been looking at text, solving these puzzles. Strange life, bro. Strange life. Alright, what was... Such a good song, bro. Okay, that might fix it. To our lashing, nice. Oh, cool background. Do you know who Denzel Curry is? Yes, he has a great rap album. Man, what's it called? Bro, that's one of my favorite rap albums. I haven't listened to much else from him, but that one album is one of my favorite albums. Yeah, bro, this album goes crazy, bro. The bars and stuff. Man, this was like the first album that I've listened to that was like on the same level as Ye music. Like the first time I felt that. Okay. Okay, this seems kinda right. I don't know. Kind of. Nah, something's broken, bro. Come on. But I like this. This looks fine. This looks fine. The icons are bad. I should bring back the old icons. The aspect ratio is not working. Yeah, this looks normal. But why did the block one... Why is this one so buggy? What's going on here? Maybe it's constantly updating the size, like rebuilding it. No, that's strange. And it doesn't even work. Yeah, that's... No, that's weird. But yeah, those icons suck. I gotta update that. Bro, play it again, bro. This one is too good, bro. Pearl Dance by... Heard. Crazy name. Okay, what was I doing? The icons, right? Icons. Man, would this song fit VOIMA though, actually? That's pretty good. This would be like a great music disc or something. Just wish it was a different thing. Yeah, because like sound-wise, it's like kind of off from the ambient stuff. Yeah, it's not really VOIMA, but like a music disc would be, that would be nice. Okay, so F3. Yeah. F3R. And it fixed these blocks. There you go. Nice. Okay, I gotta add here. Boom. And then the tabs. Oh yeah, I forgot to check. Did it work? Water bears. What? That's funny. Yeah, these buttons still don't work. What's going on here? What? Has it ever worked though, actually? Maybe not. Sure, tab size. Okay. Block. Intro add, it should be fine. Yo, Minecraft core. Yo, oh, dude, my bad. My chat was frozen. I didn't notice there were new messages. Oh, Zan left. See ya, man. Spicy spiders? What even is that, bro? Man. What if caves are a separate dimension? That'd be pretty dystopian. Or claustrophobic. So, yeah, everything's... Wait, it's too big. Wait, I should have... Damn, what is going on? Oh, and I didn't save. There. Strange, but okay, let's update the icons also. So, world interface. Yeah, this icon isn't even being used anymore. Survival mode. There's a bunch of unused textures actually. So here we would add what's it called? World editor. The universe editor mode, I mean, I don't know. Is this a good icon for modding? I'm not sure. Man, that's crazy high resolution, is it? 512? Well, is this a good texture for it? I'm not sure. So that's more like a console, you know? But also, why is the aspect ratio not fixed on some things? Oh, because it's probably not way... Okay, wait. Okay, world, universe, icon, set MPD, texture. Oh, it's a texture array. Oh, but okay, I can get that. Okay. Then we go window. Then we go. No, we go tabs, button. We go set add. Yeah, here. Yeah. Hmm. Gummy bears. Gummy bears would be a funny food item, though. I don't know if I want to add candy to VOIMA, though. Should not be eating candy in the big 25. Should know better than that. Add Care Bears? Yeah. Easy lawsuit. Okay, so this... Oh, this... this is getting regenerated every frame. That's the issue. That's why it's not working. Oh, but still the aspect ratio... it's the wrong way. Okay, but... Yeah, I'm not really good at visualizing math, honestly. It's strange, but yeah. Build tabs, that's getting called every frame. That's what's causing this issue. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Man, this feels so weird. Huh, music. These get louder. Oh wait, there's some. I think there's some VOIMA songs. Yeah, let's go through these. Hold up. Whoa, there's a bunch. Whoa, there's a bunch of VOIMA songs. Okay, let's go through these. So these would be like in-game. In-game VOIMA could be nighttime, daytime, main menu. But like not record discs. Not that. No. I mean, this is kind of Minecraft with the gong. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is suspenseful. It's kind of like a boss music. Kind of like a boss music. This is really well done. It is. It is. Nice. This is fixed. This is fixed. Let's go. Okay. Issue is this is the wrong size. I gotta figure that out now. I like how it's looking. Okay. That was kind of a miss for VOIMA. Nothing personal, of course. Just all vibes. This is pretty VOIMA. This has some really good parts. Damn, the way it comes together is really well done. I do kind of wish it progressed more to something. I feel like I'm kind of waiting for something. Damn, this map though. Oh yeah, the music guy from Juice Galaxy, I forgot, bro. Yeah, he just asked, did I add stars yet? I did not. Stars, it's just a bit off. It's just hard to say, bro, like what'll fit the game, it's just vibes. This is interesting. It's kind of, I don't know. This song is like, the way the different instruments come together is really nice. That is such a vibe, but I feel like this main instrument needs more attack. Like it should be more smoother, more release. And then the second instrument needs to change its sound. Like that one. That sounds a bit too alien-y, like goofy. Should try something more acoustic or something. And then if it had like add some lead to it. Some leading melody. Love Juke has one of your favorite games. That's cool. Is this new map? This has been in the game for a while, but might be new to you. Juice Galaxy, let's look it up. Let's re-listen to that. Where is that guy? Here. Ba-da-dum. Yeah. It's very slow. So this could be like main mini music maybe. But I don't know, just like I don't know, it just doesn't feel VOIMA. Just doesn't feel VOIMA. What else we got? Oh, Joji Beats with another one. Perfect. He made a really good song for VOIMA. This brick does not look good on this map. Gotta change the color. Nice. For sure, man. For sure. I'm not feeling this song, not gonna lie. it's too all over the place. I don't know where it's going. Boom, it's fixed. Okay, so here's the buttons. The console needs a better... Wait, what if I just take a picture of this? Yo, what is this song? Damn. I mean, it's a great song, but it's just not... I cannot imagine this in VOIMA, not gonna lie. Nothing personal. Man, what is this unselect when I zoom in? That's crazy. Bro. Okay, paint is just not worth it. Okay. Yeah, that song was a miss. I hope he makes more. He made a really good song for VOIMA though. Let's play it. Let's play it. George Beats. He made High. Oh, bro, High is one of the best ones, bro. Dude, crazy. Crazy good song. Okay. Good point. Good point about frequencies. Yeah. Hi. Such a good song, bro. Boom. Yeah. Dude, that's such a great song. Yo, what's up, Oleg? Hello, ducks. Yeah, And there's still more songs. Lullaby. Oh, this needs some. That has some nice moments. No Pile Red Sun? No, unfortunately not. Imagine waving in VOIMA. Damn. Maybe I should add that, bro. Waving in VOIMA. Especially for multiplayer, that's so good. You could totally do that. Yeah, that would not be an issue. Wow. And the reason why I really love that idea is because you could wave in Club Penguin. It's a very core Club Penguin experience, waving. Dude. Because I don't plan on adding armor, so it wouldn't matter there. The issue with holding a weapon, like if you hold a weapon and then wave, you could just be holding the weapon with one hand and then wave, so it totally works. Totally works. Waving. Bro, even my pen is breaking. Like, bro, it's like literally just breaks. Waving in VOIMA as a bear. Good classical kind of song. AI. Nope. Bro, yeah, I have not heard this. AI is getting good, but that is not a VOIMA. Yeah, not VOIMA. Oh, this reminds me of that one Minecraft song. Oops. Okay. I think this update is ready. That's a good song. That's kind of boss music also. I listened to that on the Voice channel yesterday, I remember. It was a good song. It's a good song. It's just, I don't know. It's tough. How long until you start? I'm not starting on the stage. How did you even notice I was in there? Hmm. Bro, again, 3 times join it. That's crazy. Wait, how many people do we have on the server? 949.6. Yeah, we're losing more members than we're gaining. Even though general is like full of joins, we're losing more members. Damn. Is what it is, bro. Is what it is. Gotta start making those YouTube shorts. Okay, now I'm just gonna improve the patch notes and then send the new update to Steam and see if that breaks anything. It should fix everything. Um, just locked in. Okay. Man, it's cool that Steam has automatic updates though. That's really nice. So, when VOIMA used to be just downloadable on the website, people would just play old versions of VOIMA because it's just like a hassle to update it. It's like, bro, there's so many bugs in that version. Why would you stay there? But nah, Steam is game changing. Okay, now I just gotta update the grammar. Maybe okay, what if I just give this to ChatGPT? Would he like clean up the wording here, but keep the similar simple English style and keep it very short like it is. Okay, fix bug. Bro, I didn't change anything. Nah, that sucks. Okay. Press F3 sorry to update. To fix missing faces. Blocks. Fixed bug related to my fixed bug. Bigger block. Blocks no longer get knocked back when it's mined into something smaller. Speed of building, speed of towering up has been nerfed very slightly. World editor. You can now is insta break the best wording? You can now what would be a better word than insta break? Oh wait, what bug? What should I talk about? Will there be deer in this game? I would love to add that, yeah. How about adding a thing that only moves forward like a bowling ball? You can kind of do that already, actually. You just give something low friction and then just drop it. Then you have like, then it's kind of like golfing in Minecraft on the ice. Has the bug fixed where the game crashes once you build something small? No. Instantly break, probably. No, there's probably a better, but wait. I think I saw super high gravity. Tim, this is still a bug, bro. Come on, man. Oh, I hate that bug. Uploading plans. Yes, this was fixed. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's tough. Look, game crash by drawing on triangle. Was it this bug? Is this what you're talking about? Anything small in general. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like, bro, I was thinking about that today. I'm in too many Discord servers. I used to only be in one. I used to only be in VOIMA. But now I just kind of want to be like, social, I'm in Lucid Blocks. Sometimes I check out what's going on here. Keep your friends close, enemies closer. Competition. That is cool. Oh wait, it's a fake rosary. It's kind of making fun of it. Oh well. Hey, whoa, Raz, check this out. He added different language generals, Espanol, Portuguese, and like Russian. Is Portuguese really a priority? That's interesting. Bro, he's just gonna have to add more and more channels, I bet. Yeah. Damn! That looks good. That looks good. Is that like a blood moon? Bro, we gotta add that to Voima. Once I add like not weathers, but like daily. Well, kind of like weather. I want to make it so that each day in Voima it can be kind of randomized. Like, okay, one day it's super foggy and the sky is just white and gray, and then another day it's cloudless, super sunny. Another day there's more clouds, normal blue sky. Then some nights it could be a blood moon, just like Terraria. But imagine in Voima and just like in Lucid Blocks, have the color. It's not here though, but imagine the color of the world be actually red, like the sun color be red. Like in Terraria, the Blood Moon, it doesn't actually change colors. That would be cool. That would be cool. Yeah, I gotta add that. 18,000 wish list. Damn. But also World of Dogs. Um, I should playtest this game. This is a cool game. Is I'm kind of just like in here because I don't want to forget about this world. I mean, I'll forget about this game. This game seems cool. And yay news. That's about it. And then this one Kuopio event. This is gonna be in October. In October, there's gonna be like this event in my city where I don't know, like it's like a convention, but it's small. But it's like I'll be giving a talk there, and people can try out VOIMA there. Yeah. Celestial events, solar eclipse. Yeah, that could be cool. Solar eclipse could be cool. Bro, you know what I should do? Yeah, Lucid Blocks is voxel, but it's very aesthetic. It's very cool. You know what I should do? I should add a block into Voima called Lucid. It'll be kind of on theme because I want to add, we have the forever block, for example. Where is it? Where is it, bro? Got the forever block. I kind of wanted to rename this block into Deja Vu though. Not gonna lie. But forever block is good. But I could also add a Deja Vu block. I could add a lucid block. I don't know what it'd be, but it could be like a lucid block reference or Andy or reference. It could be a double entendre, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Eric should add a block called Voim. Yeah. Well, let's check something. Incognito tag. Tab. Wow. Look at this. We can Google to get on Google. Absolute cinema. Okay, what if I type lucid blocks game? Okay. Oh, oh, I should post about Voima to indie subreddits. Okay, what if I do Voima game? What do we get? Website, Steam, YouTube. Hey, that's good. Wait, what does it suggest? It doesn't show a thing though. Like lucid blocks. Oh, it doesn't. Wait. Voima game. It doesn't show. What's up with that? Wait, it doesn't. Okay. Whatever. I'm out. Um, so drawing a small slab. Let's check that out. Pencil thickness small. Okay. What is this error about? Oh, I forgot. I got church in the morning. Can't stay up too late. Slab the corners. Value cannot be null. Says slope slab. Oh, what? It's like it's too small. The game doesn't support a slab that small or something. Set corners. If it did, what? But what? Okay, well, simple fix is simple. There's no. Boom. Yeah, source engine PTSD from forward block. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I think it's fun. It's a shame though that the SSAO, so like the smooth lighting, it causes darkness on the forever block. I don't know if I can really fix that. That really bothers me honestly. Like look at this. You see that darkness? That's from the shadow that comes between blocks. I really wish it didn't have that. It's like this is what it should look like. Like this is what I want. So I don't know if I could like how exactly I could do that. because it doesn't clear. There's like no way of knowing that that pixel is like this. I don't think is what it is. Posted a little update on the Angry Birds game. Okay, okay. Man, it's so crazy I can just mine anywhere. This feels kind of illegal to this day. Like, what? And it's so seamless and so smooth. Like, that is crazy work, bro. Crazy work. Good job, Balso. Good job. Brrrrum. But yeah, okay, let's see. Draw something small. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. What? Okay. Okay, something. Wait. So, why would this set corners return true if it's not even working? Like, what are we doing here, bro? Or maybe. Oh, no, they should have catched it. Actually, optimization here. Mm-hmm. Nice. Optimization, but how can corners be null if it doesn't? What is going on? Yeah, oh man, that is confusing. That is confusing, bro. Ah, yikes. Golems and robots? Nah, too cliche, especially golems. Yeah, there is a small lag spike when you open up the pause menu. It's strange. Notice that too. Okay. Tiny bear. Bye bye. Okay. Draw something small. Oh, also, I want to change this back to being smooth. Oh, I didn't save. Why do I not? Oh. Man, I'm just so hungry. Fixing bugs while being hungry is just not easy. Uh, Change. Wait, does it still say you were mistaken for honey? Oh, damn. I should update that. That was just a test message. And I want to add it to the game, like a custom def message. Yeah, I should update that. Like, that would make sense if you get killed by a bear. Otherwise, not really. Okay. Tiny slab. True, false, 0. Wait, true. True. 2691. True. Oh. Something is making it remove its corners. What the heck? What? It's true here. Wait, oh, damn. Okay. It's true here. They bounce up, they. Surely it's not here. Wait, delete. Oh, if the. Oh, I know what causes it. Yeah, I recently did this. So when it updates its mass, it checks if it's super small, then it deletes it, which, yeah, okay. Uh, dang. Yeah, actually. How should I do this? Well, at the very least, we need to update set corners. So no, update mask can delete a block. That's crazy. Oh boy, it's used in a bunch of places. Okay, we might need to update some code. I mean, that's kind of fine. Clear neighbors. What happens here if we call it when we're destroyed? It means it's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's messy though. It's messy. Damn. Okay, I mean, this should fix the bug, but it's still like, we should be able to draw small stuff like that. So this is a new issue. New issue we got here. There's a minor visual bug. When you hit a bear, it becomes less pixelated each hit. That's not a bug. It's when it's dead. It becomes more dead. It's not a bug. Gets confused all the time though. That's fair enough. Okay, so small shape. Gets deleted, fixed. Okay, now it doesn't crash, but it's annoying we can't draw something that small. Oh, fixing that is no easy cake. Bruh. I mean, damn. I hate this, bro. If it shrunk. You know what? That's just gonna be it for now. You won't be able to draw something that small for a while now. Just whatever, bro. That is mad annoying. Damn, bro. I'm gonna crash out. Dude, the way I gotta adjust that is like I gotta change so much code for something that small. Bruv. Damn. Or okay. Wait. Set corners. This should fix it. Okay. Wait, I didn't finish this. Let's blow him over. Andy's number one. What? Oh yeah. I'll check that. Angry Birds. What is that? What are you calling the game, by the way? Sasquatches? Okay. Taking over the world in Angry Birds like game, the art style is influenced by old pre-rendered games. Yep, saw that. And the hook is going to be that the Sasquatches can do things in real time. Like a sniper Sasquatch has bullet time and they're giving the player the ability to aim and shoot snipe. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you should lean into that, making it more dynamic. Because Angry Birds is very static, very simple, but you could do a lot of things. That's cool. That's cool. You could try using a photograph for the skybox. Just lower the resolution and colors to make it retro. I think a skybox background could be nice, subtle. Okay, let's see. Making a small drawing. Yikes. What is this now? What is this, bro? 3, 6. 3, 6. What? What? Wait. Yeah, no, what? Give me a break, bro. Slab 614. Update mass. Wait, what? Move down. What? How can it be deleted here? What? Nah, dude, this makes zero sense, bro. What? 5 minutes till 3 hours. Nice. Man. Bro, I'm surprised that all of y'all still watch me just code and struggle with bugs. Like, I don't know if I would personally be entertained by that. Like, I get the streams where I yap and stuff; those are really fun and entertaining. But like now, I'm just like crashing out over a tiny bug. Like, Okay, delete. Okay, we got a trace. Where did it delete? 642. 642. If candy. Well, what the hell? 5423. 5423. Update mass. And it moves. Man, what the? Okay, I'm so hungry, bro. I'm so hungry. Okay. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. So delete 5423. 5423. Update mass from move down. Okay, and then what called this? 406. Wait, world edit. Okay. 4065. So that moved down. Okay, set height. I see. Okay, this is okay. Okay, I see that. Yeah, this is a bigger issue, bro. What? Damn, that's crazy that this is so hard to fix. Like, I know what causes it, but it's just like the way that everything's coded, it's just like, what? Like, how could I force a slab to never be deleted? Because you don't want it to be deleted while you're setting its height. I mean, I guess I could make a bool for slabs, but then like every slab is gonna carry the bool. That's not very clean. It's better than a crash for now. That's true. Yeah, there's no simple way of fixing this one, bro. Yeah, bro. Okay, that's getting nah. This is surprisingly hard to solve. Like, holy crap. Like, I know y'all don't really know what I'm yapping about. But like, I visualize the whole code. Like, I know how this all works. And like this issue, this tiny issue is so undefeatable. It's crazy. Because it's just so tied into the whole pipeline. Like, what the heck? Okay, well, that's gonna be that for now. So, fixed not being able to, fixed game crashing from drawing a small shape, but you can no longer draw shapes that small. Womp womp. Bro, I gotta watch some video and eat for a bit, not gonna lie. What could we watch? Yo! New Mr. Beast video, bro.
This maximum security
Oh,
prison.
bro. Nah, I unironically love Mr. Beast videos, but I will say Mr. Beast as a person, bro, his personality or mindset is weird, bro. It's like a rich white kid. It's like very entitled and like selfish. Cause like he did a live stream recently with Aiden Ross and XQC, and it's just like you really got to see his character. It was weird, bro. But his videos are well done.
This cop and this criminal survive 100 days together. I will give them $500,000.
What's going on?
Nice to officially meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lenny.
Ian,
You guys want to be uncuffed?
that'd be great.
Now that that's out the way, at any point over the next 100 days, if either of you decide to leave, you both get nothing. Have you guys ever seen $500,000 in real life?
Never.
Well, I owed $500,000 when I got out of prison. Does that count?
How long were you a cop?
17 years.
How long were you
Bro, what did you send me, Ed? What? Can men and women be just friends? They can't be friends. Mr. Beast? What is this? What? Mr. Beast always gets in the way. Bro, I have no idea what this even is. Damn.
criminal?
Okay.
3 years in federal prison.
How do these compare to the prison you're in?
These are a little thicker, and we have a pillow.
You didn't get a pillow when you're in prison.
They don't give you a pillow.
Well, aside from the pillow, this prison is a one-to-
Mr. Beast literally just built a prison and got two people the same. Like, bro, Mr. Beast, he's so obsessed with like power and clout. It's so weird. Like have you all heard? He's doing the new charity now, Team Water. So every dollar donated is 1 year of clean water for someone in Africa. Great cause, right? But the way that he reacts to getting money, like he did the live stream where he's like gathering money from people. It's like he feels like such an ego boost whenever he gets like, oh, 25,000 donated to this. Like he's like, because every dollar that gets donated, he gets clout like, oh, I'm the guy that brought this much money to this great cause. Like it's not true charity in his heart. So like, nah, I don't know. Mr. Beast needs to find God a bit. I can't lie, but
one replica
videos
of what
are
an
peak,
actual
bro.
prison
Videos
would
are
be
peak.
like.
Dude, he's got the real prison
Unironically.
toilet.
Wow.
We're gonna feed you guys 3 times a day.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
Cut the lights off at the same time every night.
Yeah, he did. So like he tried pressuring Asmongold, and he was doing that for like an hour. He would just like, he was on a Discord call with Aiden Russ, and they would just like add every big streamer, every big YouTuber on the call and tell them like, yo, we got this charity, you should donate. Can you donate 100K? And they're just like on the spot. And it's like, you know, if you say no to charity, you look like a dick, but like, man. Yeah, but Mr. Beast did not even get canceled. Bro, the cancellation is so over. Like, when that stuff was happening, he was getting dislikes, but nah, that's
And
over,
we're
bro.
gonna give you a
Everyone
wake-up call
forgot.
every morning. Good luck.
I mean, Chris is no longer in the videos, though.
They really made this like prison. These seats are cold. Uncomfortable.
As always, we have a ton of cameras
Man,
monitoring
bro,
their
seriously
every
built a
move.
prison.
Everything that
What
we're
is
saying,
this,
so
bro?
anything that we say.
They're gonna get ideas.
Today was the first time that this cop and this criminal have ever met. And we didn't know it yet, but over the course of this video, Ian and Lenny quickly became enemies.
How do you think the
There's gonna be
dislikes? It's a
stealing.
Chrome
Now the
extension.
smuggling convict.
Fights.
So because I'm not religious, it's an issue?
Whoa, I didn't say that.
We're gonna need an EMT and even betrayal.
You're Lenny the snitch. This is brutal.
Will they make it the entire 100 days, or will one of them screw the other?
All I want to do is go home with all the money, and if I have to strangle a cop, so be it. Dibs on bottom bunk.
Nah, I'm taking the bottom bunk.
Whatever, old man. In prison, it goes by the elder respect, so whoever's older gets to decide first. What if he snores at night?
I do.
Good night.
Hey, what about a warning?
All right, criminal, get some rest.
Good morning.
Honestly, what am I even watching? Like, what has happened?
This stupid cop was snoring all night.
Snoring kept me up.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not learning anything from that video. Is not helping me in my path to greatness and success. Boom. This is a much more fitting video.
Hello everybody, I've got quite a workload ahead of me, so if you'd like to stick around and just watch me chip away at my old alpha world or listen to me talk about tea, then stay tuned.
Man. Old
Just dropped a full
Minecraft,
load
bro.
at the tree farm and we are ready to make a trip over to the museum that I've been building. I've already made a trip over there and dropped off some raw material, so I should have enough to fully complete it. So we're gonna make our commute right now. And it's good timing because the sun is setting and I don't even have a sword yet. So yeah, I busted my sword at some point in the past. I haven't bothered to make a new one. I want to make a diamond sword. And the only diamonds I have, I think, are at the mining base. So that's the first thing I'm going to do when I get over there. I'm going to make a brand new diamond sword. There it is, the unfinished painting museum. And if I'm lucky, I'm going to get this done completely. Might be little bits and bobs here and there that I don't finish, but I want to at least completely finish the interior and that section, as
Okay.
well as get all the paintings in order.
I got my snack. Back to work. Back to work, bro. Man. Moving multiple. How should I word this? Moving. VOIMA needs that feeling. It does. Hey, good night, Splav. Good night. And yeah, the atmosphere of like old Minecraft. It's mostly the survival though. That's what really does it. We're gonna get that, bro. We're gonna get there. We're getting close. We just need like, really what we need is like, not just forests, but we need mountains in the world. That's what we really need. Okay. Moving multiple selected slabs no longer uses physics, and they no longer break apart. They should be capitalized in parentheses. Animals no longer target you as an enemy if you're in creative mode. World editor grid. Should I just use the word mobs? Isn't it weird how the term mobs is just so universal at this point? Like even in like basic conversation just about games, people still will say mobs. Such a weird word. You know, that crazy world gen from old MCN. Yeah, the spooky caves. That's what really does it. The caves. I mean, VOIMA's not gonna get the same caves because the lighting system is just not the same, bro. Yeah, it'll never be on that level, bro. Damn. So how can we do it then? I don't know. Mobs. I think it's just Minecraft. I think Notch just invented the word mobs. It's like, you know, it's like a mob. It's like a mob. Angry mob. A group of enemies, you know, mob. Weather effects are important too. Nah, not really. Not really. Not really. Grid settings now get saved. When setting a slab's height with control, we'll now let it go through other slabs if freeze slabs is on. Particles are no longer spawned if freeze cards is on. Fixed duplicate cards not updating the colors. Not having correct custom colors. Fix plants visually staying in the air after spawning them. Edit tool tips for setting grid. Fix game crashing from drawing a small shape. Womp womp. Other fixes fixed. Mossy stone slabs not having sound effects. Fixed textures having an incorrect vertical offset when setting when game texture resolution was set something lower. Improved respawning positions. Fixed cursor. Fix hotbar not having. Fix foxbar not having. padding. Modding, added a new button in the universe editor tab menu to reload the universe. Other slabs and cards can no longer hold any velocity when freeze cards or freeze slabs are on. F3 menu now has its info display sounds. Okay, that's the new update. That's the new update. Gotta go see Andy, man. Boing Boing CEO. Dude, that is who I am. That's crazy. Should it get dark below 0? Yeah. I mean, I guess that could be a good fix. If you made it darker the lower you are. That is interesting. When you try to duplicate multiple lamps, did it duplicate them all? Interesting. Your EULA does not specify how the assets of VOIMA are allowed to be used. Are you sure? Damn, did I not add a EULA? Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, no, the EULA is on the Steam page, actually. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's check the EULA. By using VOIMA, you agree to these terms. Personable, non-transferable license. You don't own VOIMA or its content. Okay. You don't own VOIMA or its content. Can't sell or rent VOIMA files. You can't hack or extract VOIMA source code. Commercial use is allowed only for monetizing videos. Don't use VOIMA for illegal or harmful activities. Yeah. The developer owns VOIMA, including its code, assets, and content. You own your user content, but granted a free license to show it. Marketing. Confirm you have their service. They're pretty clear. I mean, it pretty much says that you aren't allowed to use the assets. You don't own VOIMA or its content. Guess you could be more specific. I mean, it says you don't own it, so then I guess that implies you can't use it. Yeah. When I found games, that's just gotta talk to me about it. I mean, Zan made a cool game. I mean, it's like a hobby project, so. Okay, but duplicating lamps. Let's check. Damn. I don't know. Works for me. Works for me. Is there anything else I should do for this update? I mean, the update's pretty much ready. Pretty much ready. Bugs. Yeah, the high gravity, bro. How is this still a thing? Bruh. That makes no sense. Or maybe they're not grounded. It might get fixed on this new update, actually. Absolutely no sound or audio in the Steam demo build? Play any audio? That's weird. Never heard this bug. Huh. Yeah, that's intended. Yeah, that's a Goomba stomp. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was fixed. That's fixed. Oh yeah, I should write that down. Wait, no, I did. Um, um, Yeah, it's about that. That's about it. Yeah, this one bug really is annoying though. That it cuts from the wrong spot. That is bad. That is bad. How do we fix that one, bro? It was an issue with the vertical grid. Vertical grid. Yeah, this. What is wrong with this code? Oh. Wait. No. I don't know. I don't know. We got a Mona Lisa up a bear head. Yeah, someone already made a fan art of that 2 times actually. We should. I should add paintings. There's a lot of mechanics I should add. Okay, yeah, I think this update's good enough. Bro, there's so many features I gotta add. I gotta add like paintings, signs, glue, blueprints, all that. Multiplayer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think. Oh, that stays there. What's that about? Press to put. Okay. Okay. I am out of Steam. I'm out of Steam. I gotta send this to Steam. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think this update is done. I'll upload it to Steam. Build. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, so would the Minecraft's world generate technique work for VOIMA, like using purling noise texture? Hmm. It's it's very laggy to use purling noise actually. It's very laggy. And then I don't know, like with VOIMA. Well, I guess since we don't have infinite worlds, lag is not really an issue. You just generate it once. Um So VOIMA, each block is a physics object, so you want to combine them together. So you'd have to think of some... Yeah, you would have to do some very VOIMA specific design with the way you generate stuff. Hmm. And then how do you get them to stay in the air? Yeah, it's... I mean, technically, yeah, it's possible, but like not anytime soon. I'd have to implement some other systems in place. Duplicate is being buggy. Oh, bro's crashing out. Duplicate is being buggy. I tried to dupe a fence and it keeps falling apart when I unselect it. That was the grid is screwed up. I tried to build all of what's left. Huh. Um. Hmm. Are these blocks? I think so. I want to recreate that actually, see how that works. Okay, build is done. Good. Good, good, good. I want to see how that works. Damn, crazy background, bro. That looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, so it's just like... So he's building a fence with blocks. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Do, 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 do. Something like this. Yeah. Works for me. I don't know. Maybe he made like... Maybe he made it like this. Yeah, maybe... Yeah. This would probably do it. And I know exactly why. Although, nah, it should still stay in place. Yeah. I don't know, bro. FPS related bug. No. Unless he drew these slabs, but I doubt it. Yeah. I'm not sure how he does this. Where does those backgrounds come from? They're from taking screenshots. But I think I'm gonna replace the VOIMA screenshot mechanic and just remove it completely because Steam already has its own screenshot system. So I think I'm just gonna use that for VOIMA. Yeah. This is strange though. These fences are working for me. Unless this version fixed this somehow. Magically. Maybe. Maybe. Dude, that is crazy. Look at that. Mining a hole like this. That feels so strange, bro. What? Like, look at that. That is crazy. Bro, what is VOIMA becoming? Oh, I mean, if he's trying to move a fence, that would definitely break it. At least in that version. Maybe that's why. The texture rotation can be toggled on. Yeah. Yeah, I talked about that on one stream. That's true. Yeah. Because now they're like universal. Yeah, that's some. Okay. I'll work on that on the next update. Yes. Yes. Add to the do list. Add more control for texture rotations on block boards. Okay, but the build is done. Build is done, so VOIMA 1.51. It's got, wait, no. There, got that there. Should I include a EULA with the exe? I guess I might as well. Just to play it safe. Might as well, bro. Might as well. Okay. Does this look a bit different? No? Okay. Okay, then that's that. Boom. I didn't know I could build that easily. You mean like blocks? The iron has to be drawn. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean exactly? Why is moving stuff so glitchy anyways? That was because it was doing physics updates on whatever you're moving. Like, if you selected multiple blocks, it would like do physics updates for each block and check for collisions, but then they'll be like checking collisions with each other, and that's where it kind of broke. So now it just doesn't do collision checks, so you don't have that problem. Yeah, these are the technical issues that I don't really have time to fix because I really gotta add actual gameplay first. That's like priority because it's alpha and after all. Let's check some Steam stats. Fun. Where's that? Current player 17. Yeah. Yep. Okay, does this work like I expect it to? I mean, seems like it. I really love this map. This map has a good vibe. It has beaches. I don't know if I've seen beaches in VOIMA before, really. Dude, these explosions are crazy. And also, this update, I don't know why exactly, but the explosions, they create half slabs now. That's pretty cool. Dude. That is crazy how well that runs. Bro, my computer is 10 years old. Wow. And I got a huge optimization idea for these bombs. So you see how, okay, when you Oh, that's another bug I hate, the floating block items. But you see how when I in the plant. Wait. Wait. Oh no, it's in there. Okay. But you know how when you explode stuff, it breaks into these tiny blocks that fly around? That's what's laggy about the bombs. Because you're doing a bunch of physics updates all of a sudden. But, I mean, most of these things that fly in the air, they're just like these tiny blocks, okay? And do you really need like specific collisions for these blocks? Because think about it. First of all, they're tiny. Like, you wouldn't like really know the difference between this and say like a circle card. Like cards do collisions like this, which is way faster than like a specific shape. Even though it's a cube, it's like way different. But not only are these small and you don't need it to be that precise, whenever these fall on the ground from the explosion, they break anyways, okay? They break anyways. So I have this idea. Particles in this game are actually cards, just like the bears or anything. They use the same code, but they use an optimized movement code. They use a simplified physics where instead of having a hitbox, like a circle or a box, it's just one point in space. Like it has zero thickness. Like it's one point, okay? And so it checks if it hits something at that point. So it doesn't have any like hitbox width or anything or height. And so with these explosions, I mean, you wouldn't notice any difference if these blocks use that point precision. Because after all, whenever they hit something, they have so much velocity anyways that they're just gonna break. Okay? So you don't need to do some collision checking like, oh, it moved past this, move it back. Like, no. It need to be super simplified. So this would be a huge optimization I could add. And then another level to it is, you know how Minecraft has like falling sand entities. So some blocks can be entities. Well, I could do the same thing here. So when like I've had this idea. So you have these block drops here, okay? I'm thinking of adding to them this system where when a block breaks, you can tell those block drops to fake themselves as being 3D objects. So I could make this thing render and look like this block, okay? And then just have that move around. And then once it hits the ground, then it will turn into this pickup version. So imagine that with the bomb. Like all these small blocks that fly around, they would just be item drops that just are faking themselves into being real blocks, you know? So that's what I got planned. That would be a huge optimization with these explosions. Like you would not believe how good it would look. But then also like that would be so smooth. But then also you could do it with like punching wood. So like when you punch trees, it drops those small wooden items, right? You see those wooden items, but this doesn't look that good, you know. Punching trees is not that satisfying. So imagine if when you punch the tree, a small block, wood block just flies out of it and then hits the ground and then turns into a pickup like that. And the block would be small, like imagine like a block that size or maybe even this size. Yeah. Imagine blocks this size flying from the tree, and when they hit the ground, they become like pickups. I think that would be so satisfying to see. It'll make the world feel just so much more like, I don't know, detailed or impressive. Just having like more physics stuff. So yeah, that's what I got planned. Gonna be a great change. Damn. Okay, it seems to be running fine. Okay, multiplayer next. Yeah, easy. Well, how do I set the sky color to black? Well, yeah, I mean, you can change the sky colors to the world.txt file, but that would change the color for all the worlds. So, blocks don't fall. I use the drawing tool. Oh, so tool, but you were talking about like freezing slabs and how that makes building easier. Yeah, I gotta really figure out the physics stuff. It's a real issue, honestly. I really do gotta figure all that out. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'ma just upload this new update right now. Then I'm gonna go on a walk with Milo, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Go to sleep, bro. It's been a long day of just working on bugs. Working bugs. Okay, where was it again? Oh yeah, and I should start working on the Linux and Mac ports. Should start working on that. Oh. Man, I can't even find where to update the game. This is like so hard. No, I don't use hex codes. Hex codes are overrated, bro. Nice wallpaper. Yeah, this is looking nice. The stream setup is looking nice. The chat background could be darker, I suppose. But bro, where the heck is all this, bro? Surely I can update the demo though, right? Surely. I wish I could show you guys this stuff. This is like so complex. Bro, just let me upload and update. Like, damn. Wait. Where did I? Nah, this stream is cooked. This stream is cooked, bro. Okay, I'm gonna just end the stream because this is not entertaining. Me looking for a specific Steam page, bro. Nah. I gotta bring up GPT for this one. But thank you guys for tuning in. This was a buggy live stream. I want to do something more fun tomorrow. Tomorrow I might game or just yap. I'll do something more fun. Yeah, stressful day. Just trying to fix those bugs. I'll be back around the same time, and hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one.